In this video of the SEO course, today we will learn that what is the schema markup. In this we will learn that it is of how many types, what are its benefits, how to create it and how to apply it. Here you will learn everything related to the schema markup, and it is very important and useful for the SEO. Friends, this is a detailed course of SEO, learn it and apply it. There are many digital technical courses on our channel. New courses are always coming, so subscribe to stay updated. Friends, I have an important information for you. Marketing Funda has brought a new program called Money Funda, which is easiest and fastest money making affiliated program. The link is in the description, the numbers are given, go ahead and start earning today. So friends, come on, let's start learning. For digital marketing services, training, consultancy, you can call on given numbers or visit our website. So hello everyone, in this particular video we will be talking about schema markup. What is schema markup? How does the schema markup look? How to create it? And how will you apply that to your website? So in short, if we talk about the schema markup, which is used here, it basically used for the rich results. Now how does that appear? How does it look? First we will understand that what is schema markup. So basically schema markup is like a script, it's like a code, which is present there in a structured data form, just like your data is displayed very differently on the pages of the search engines. It shows the data, it displays it. Right friends? So here if you talk about, like if we have searched for the keyword here that what is digital marketing, and then here we have searched for steps to learn digital marketing. So here you will see a different result which we will call here as the rich results. So in the exactly same way, here our schema is also like of this type, and here you will see the schema separately. So just like the way you have searched here that what is digital marketing, so you can see that some question schemas are coming here, right? This is what? This is our schema type. There are many types of schemas. There is person schema, then there is question schema, and there is business schema as well. Then organization schema, there is product review schema and recipe schema. There is an event schema and a local business schema. There is schema for websites also. So that schema is used for all these things. So these steps which you all can see here separately in this box, which we call it as rich results in short. What are they and why are they visible to you? Because you know what you have put on this particular web page. You have put here the schema of the steps. So you have generated the schema here, that is why their website is running on the top. So what is Google doing separately? It is showing the structured data of the schema. And if you are using the schema on your website, that means if the schema markup is used, so the Google schema means that there is a script of schema so that they can understand it better. So what happens because of this? It will look something like this with your results. They also show results along with your web results. Just like you searched here. What is digital marketing? And then here you will notice that the web result of the digital marketing is appearing. As you can see, who is ranking on top? The MailChimp brand, right? So here the web result is appearing. Along with that, what they have done on their website, there is a type of schema, that is the question schema, which they have posted on whatever their blog or the post that they have. So this result is appearing. It is appearing. Types of digital marketing. And what is digital marketing? If you need to check if schema is implemented on this website or not, and what type of schema is implemented. So what we will do? We will click on this result. And what is digital marketing? We'll click on the result that we will get, and then we'll press here on Control U. And then using the Control U, you can open the source page. And then what should you search for here? We will do schema Control F. We will find the schema. So if you will look here, if you found the schema, then how many results or web results are coming there one by one? So where will these web results appear? Here. So basically this is a script. Now look, if we will consider the type, then what is the schema type here? Here we have the question schema and the expected answers are added here. Okay. So here, this is a schema script. This schema script looks like this. It is available on the screen. So this is a type of script where you have a type like here there is a question schema and we have created a question schema. What is? digital marketing, and the answer to that is given. What is its type? Its answer, and that script here is added. Similarly, there is another question on digital marketing. Okay, why online digital marketing is important and what does a digital marketing agency do? Okay, so we have prepared a lot of schemas for the questions which we have. You have applied it to your website, right? So this is a script, and with the help of it, such type of the result will appear just like the way you saw a while ago. Similarly, if we talk here about the steps to learn digital marketing, so here also on this website few steps are added. So let's see that which schema they have added here. So what you have to do, click on Ctrl U and then search for schema. Here we will search for schema. Here we have 15 results, means lot of schemas are added here. What schema type did we put in? Article schema. Here you can see what is the first type of schema that we have. Here the articles schema is added, person schema is added. Okay, if you look here, we'll minimize this slightly and we will slide this a little for one more time. So the first schema that is applied is the article schema and the second is organization schema, and we will lower this slightly. Okay, so lot of schemas are added here like person schema. Okay, so here we have added article schema, because of which what we are getting here, it's something like this. Our end result is appearing here. So basically you can say that it's a kind of a rich result. Okay, you don't have to read anything. Like what are the steps to learn digital marketing? In this you want to know the steps to learn digital marketing. So Google is giving short steps. It's giving 6 steps that will help you with your SERP, which means that on the top of the Google search engines result page, yes, separately on the Google search page, it's not like that. How to learn digital marketing, what are the steps for it? You have to click on the website. You see it at the top, right? So how is this visible to us? Because the owner of this website has created a schema for this. So what happened with that schema? Their result was at the top. It has appeared differently. Like this, if you will search for food recipes, then it will also get counted in the schema. Okay. So now how to create this and from where to create this? Now we will understand that. All right. So is this thing clear here, that what is schema markup and how does it look? And now we will understand that how to create it. Okay, so to create it, it's very simple. Just search it on the Google. Schema markup generator. So here a website gets loaded. It's your technicalseo.com. You can very easily generate a schema from here. It's not like you have to write this code all by yourself. Because you guys don't know how to write such code, you won't be able to write it. But if you know, then you can use it. But now, we don't have to remember that what is a schema, what is its code, or what is its script. We have a lot of platforms available for us for this. Okay, what can you do? The schema that you want to generate, you can generate it from the website and also generate it from the plugin, right? So the plugin is also dedicated for this. So you can add from it or you can also generate from it, right? So here we will generate a schema from this website. Like which schema? Markup you want to create, right? So are you understanding the schema markup that we need to create here? There are so many persons schema. There is organization schema. So as on our website, which is marketingfunda.org, it is an organization. You can see its extension is also, what is its TLDS? ORG means organization. So what do we do here? We generate the schema of an organization. The organization type will be there. We have taken organization. Okay, so we will take the organization name here. Marketing. Fundas. Okay. And here we took the name Marketing Funda, and as an alternative we took Money Funda. Take Money Funda. Okay. And then here is the URL of our website. It is marketingfundas.org, including HTTPS. And here we have added the URL and we will get the logos URL very easily. Now copy the URL of the logos image. You can open the website here. And then here whatever logo you have uploaded, you will see that. First, this is demo website. What will we do is we will download it from the main website, copy the link address. So from this our link of the image will be copied and we will put it here. Okay, so you can see here on the right hand side, a script is getting generated here. See here, your script is generating. So this is your schema generator. Okay. If you want, you can also add more contact information. Select from the type like technical support, billing support. So we will select technical support and we will add a phone number here. So whatever our phone number will be, we will add it here. We will add country language options. It's toll-free number basically. So we take the number from our website and copy it here. Right? And here we have selected number, and here we pasted the phone number in the schema we are generating. Area served, we will select India as we are running the business in India, even though it is worldwide. But still, we will select India, right? Then in the option, select the toll-free number. Done. So select option toll-free. Here our script is generated. You can also add social profiles like Facebook. So we'll put the Facebook URL here. Here is the Facebook link that is on our main website. We will copy the link. And here we will paste the link. Similarly, if we have to include Twitter with Facebook, you can also find our Twitter link here. We will also copy Twitter link. And here we will paste it. It will be like this with all our platforms that we have, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube or Instagram, it's available. So here we have the Instagram's link which is pasted here. Okay. Similarly, we will include the YouTube channel. We have many subscribers on YouTube. Okay. Here we have YouTube's link, which has been added, and here we will put LinkedIn. So LinkedIn and many more platforms. You can add all of them. So here your script, which is an organization script, is properly getting ready. So which one did we select now? LinkedIn. Here is the LinkedIn's link. We'll copy it and then we've pasted it. So this much is also enough. So our script is generated here. Now if you want, you can test if this script is correct or not. So you can click on test. And here you can do the testing of rich results as I told you in the start. What is schema? It's rich result. And from here you can test it. Do test code of this code. Okay. So your code is being tested from here. Okay. Here it's entirely valid. You will not see any error here. Okay. So we have tested the schema markup here. Now you have to copy this code. And there is another platform from where you can check. Here you can search on the Google schema markup checker. Okay. So here is a website. Validator schema.org. You can also test your own schema. From here, like right now we don't have URL, means there are basically two options. Like if you want to see that if schema is implemented on a website or not, like here we have two options. Actually we need to test the script, which we have created a snippet. Here we will add the script. Okay. Wait for a second. Here we will do Control T and here we put it in the new, because we already have another script for schema. Okay, so here this script is what? It is the organization schema. We will test this by adding your code, paste it to the code snippet and do run test. If any error will be found here, anyway there is no error here. But if there is an error, so here you will get one error instead of 0 errors. It will be visible. Now the error will occur when there are mistakes in your code. For example, if you have removed it here, or if you removed a comma, then here it will show the error, like if I will validate it. So what's coming here? Not detected, because we removed that thing from here. Okay. So here we will bring it back and test it again. So here it's 0 errors. If you remove anything from here, like if you remove the double quote, here we will remove it and then test again. So what is coming? There is one error. Okay. Missing. What is missing? Look, colon is missing because this was missing. Why? An error occurred. So we will go back to it again. So we will keep it as it was, right? If we validate again, there are 0 errors, 0 warning. So here it means your script is perfect. Okay. So now, as I told you, here on the validator, one more option comes, and what does it shows? Fetch URL. What happens in it? Here you can test any website's URL to see if it has schema is added or not. Okay. So in this website, in this page, whether schema is included. So it will scan everything and tell if schema is added or not. So you can see here that the schema is added in it. And here FAQ, a lot of schema is added. What's the question and what's their answer? Entire FAQ schema is applied, right? So we have tested it here. Now what will we do with it? What is our next step? To apply it. Now there are many methods to apply it. Okay. So firstly, we will copy the schema that we have generated. Okay. And to apply it on which page or to generate it automatically, it is very simple. Like if you have to apply this schema to your website, and then you have to install a plugin from here like this, header footer code injector or header footer code manager. You can search here. HFCM is a plugin with which you can generate your own schema. Okay, so we have installed this here, right? Now when you activate it here, you will have an option separately. You will see an option here, HFCM. Okay, so here we will come to all snippets, but so far we haven't added any snippets, meaning we haven't added any code. Now we will add a new script here, meaning we will add a new schema. And where will we show it? On our home page. Yes, and now we will add a snippet name for it. Schema. And snippet type will definitely be of HTML because it's HTML. Now if you want to exclude it from any page, then you can exclude it. To exclude it from any post means that the schema doesn't apply to it. So you can also remove it. What will be the location? Where do you want to inject it? Means where do you want to inject this schema script? In body part, in header part, means header part of that page. If you want to show it there, then select the header. Okay. So here we will show it in the header. Okay. Whatever the display device will be, here it's all devices, of course, and here its status will remain active, right? And what you have to do here, save your schema script by pasting it here, right? So here on our website, this schema will be applied. Okay. Now if you want, you can copy this short code, and then what can you do? Like on any post or on any page where our elements are used. If you have edited a page in all pages, you will have used an element in the block. Short code, there also you can add it. So one is this method. And another method is that you can also use tag manager to fire it on any specific page. What you just have to do here is create a trigger for it. Okay, so here if you open the tag manager as well, as we will open the tag manager here, make sure your container is already set up. For whatever website you have, ours is marketingfunda.org. Okay, so here website of marketingfundas.org. Here for the script that you have to paste, you will first have to set up a container, meaning you will also need to create an account in the tag manager. So how to do it there, I will tell you. Like here is a account. So here, let's suppose, anyway we are just assuming that it's not a website. You have to go add a new tab. Click on it. You have to click on tag configuration and then select custom HTML. Make sure here you are giving a name. We give the schema name, and then click on custom HTML and then the script that you have received, paste it. And then we pasted the script. Click on the trigger. Which specific page do you want to trigger? So you can trigger that specific page. And if you need to trigger it on all pages, you can trigger it on all pages and fire it, right? This is also a method where you can do what? You can put the schema code on your website, right? So we have two options. Either you can apply it directly from here. I mean, it has a dedicated plugin. You can do it from this, or you can use it from the Google Tag Manager. Or the best way, let's say you created a post and you want the schema for post to get generated automatically. So here in this what is SMM, click on this edit, and here whatever plugin that you use for the SEO. So you will find schema option there. For example, can you see schema option here? So page type. What page is this? Is it an article page, a web page, an item page, or an about us page? It's an FAQ page. So from here you can also select the schema type, and automatically it will take your data and generates it, right? So here we will select this thing. Done. You have generated one from here. So you have to generate it this way and then update it if you want. Then you can use the custom HTML for the schema script here. Okay. So here you will search HTML. Search it here. Custom HTML, and here you paste the code and then update it. Now as you will update the script and then view it. Whether it's a page or a post, you should have done that thing on page. So here you won't see that schema. Okay. That schema will not be visible here, but if you will open the page source and will search here for schema, so you will find the schema here. Okay, here as the schema of web page has come, and you will find more results of schema that we put in. And now you just have to search which we created for schema. So which schema did we have to make? Organization schema, so it came marketing fundas, money fundas. Its alternative name, and then link URL, link of the images. We did all these things a while ago. So you can apply it to your specific page or to your post. So from next time, whenever if we will search for something of this type, so that also we'll see that our schema and our rich result is appearing on a CRP, right? So here we can generate it of this type, right? So how to apply it and how to create it, and what is the schema? It must be clear to you in this video. So guys, we will do only this much in this particular video. We will keep bringing such interesting topics in the upcoming video. Until then, thank you so much. I hope you liked this video and learned a lot. You can let me know in the comment section. And friends, if you want to take digital marketing training or digital marketing services, so you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us on the given number. Marketing Funda is bringing the world's easiest affiliated program for you. You can start earning instantly with this program. Link is in the description. You can contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.